In the previous video, we already learned about the concept of VTP. The point is, VTP is used to create VLAN automatically on many switches. Next, in this video, we are going to practice about VTP. But first, let's create the topology for practice about VTP. Let's import some switch. We will use 2960. Let's say we will need 4 switches. Now, let's connecting all the switches. Okay, this is the topology that we are going to use to learn about VTP. Next, the first thing that we need to do before configure VTP is configuring trunk on all interfaces that connected to other switches. Let's just start. Let's change the name of the switches first. This is switch 1. This is switch 2. This is switch 3. And last, this is switch 4. Okay, now let's start configuring trunk on switch 1. Here we can see that the interface that connected to switch 2 is fast Ethernet 0/1. We will configure this interface as trunk. Enable, configure terminal, go to interface fast Ethernet 0/1, and then switch port mode trunk. Okay, next let's configure switch 2. We will configure fast Ethernet 0/1 and fast Ethernet 0/2 as trunk. Let's go to CLI, enable, configure terminal, interface range fast Ethernet 0/1 until 2, and then switch port mode trunk. Next, for switch 3, here we will also configure fast Ethernet 0/1 until 2 as trunk. Go to CLI, enable, configure terminal, interface range fast Ethernet 0/1 until 2, and then switch port mode trunk. Last, let's configure for switch 4. Here we will only configure fast Ethernet 0/1 as trunk. Enable, configure terminal, interface fast Ethernet 0/1, and then switch port mode trunk. Okay, now we have done create a topology for practice about VTP. So here we just connecting 4 switch and configure all interface that connected to other switch as trunk. Okay, I think enough for this video. In the next video, we are going to practice about VTP. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.